morning guys, today I'm here for the video of unboxing the huawei mediapad M2 8.0. It's 8-inch tablet. Let's read the specifications first. Says huawei mediapad M2 8.0. Nodes, ROM 16 GB. The 16 GB model. You might get the 32 also. RAM 2 GB, some numbers, color silver. That yeah, pretty much the same thing. So let's unbox it. Oops, sorry, camera. First when you remove, get the tablet itself packed. I already took it out and just charged it a little bit. Oops. Here's the media pad. Says full metal shell. I don't know if you can see that or not. Full metal shell, UHD 8.0 screen, then 8 cores chips. What's the last one? Eye care mode. It's also having eye care mode. Let's take it out of this packet. Let's take it out. Oh, I heard something coming out. Oh, it's from another tab. Let's do right. The charge comes. Get them placed like that. Here's the tablet. In the back, you'll see these metallic shell. Doesn't feel plastic at all. Here, if you open this, we can see the SD card. The SD card slot will go in here, and the SIM will go in here. I'm already inserted SD card. Just inserted. I don't have names now, so I can't show that to you. But you can still see that it's something inserted. Can you see that? I don't think so. You can, but still, I'm inserted. I'll show you. We'll get to the tablet later. Let's see what we have in the box. Quick start guide. This is a quick start guide. Huawei mediapad. Safety information. Normal cables. I think so. The other USB 2.0 cables. Earbuds. The normal ear-on headphones. Says Huawei. Has a microphone button. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Some stickers. And this is SIM card ejection tool. A tray ejection. If you put it in the slot, eject something. I don't want to do that because I have never tried. I want to see how to do it. Just pops up like that. Says Huawei, safety mark, and that's maintenance in the box. Let's keep everything aside. Let's get onto the tablet. Here's the tablet, legit, Huawei M2, fresh piece. Okay, let me on this. Says Huawei mediapad, powered by Android, huawei mediapad, powered by Android. Again, says huawei mediapad. I'll be also reviewing the original white case which comes with it. Means you have to get designed by Huawei. Oh, so the password. Sounds like that. And this is the screen you get by default. I want to confirm you guys that I have the SD card installed in it. I'll just show you in a second. Storage. Internal storage 16 gigabytes. Free 8.37 MB. I don't know if you can see that, but my SD card. This is the details of the SD card I'm having. So this is the SD card. Oh, yeah, I can hear the sound. Yeah. I'll do a review of this tablet in my next video. It's too cool. Nice graphics. Play Store. Let's see, now we don't have any music. Videos? Do we have any videos? No. But I can show you the clarity of the videos using YouTube. Some songs. Some songs. Let's put song Rude. I hope you like that song. I like it. Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car. Too loud. Too loud. Knocked on your door with heart in my head. You ask your question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Get out and got it for the rest of. So you can see it's too loud because of the dual speakers powered by Harman Kardon. So yeah, Harman Kardon. One down, one up. Side you have nothing. On the top you have a USB charger jack, a headphone jack, and then one speaker. You have the power button, volume rockers, and the space for SIM card and SD card. At the bottom you're having another speaker and a microphone. Now I already opened the packet of the case. I'll show that this is having a cool feature. You can see this wallpaper here. The next time the wallpaper will change. It's automatic. We can just see the rest of the wallpapers. So they're pretty cool wallpapers here. Now there's a tablet you have, but it's a phone too. You can insert SIM. Now there's a case designed by Huawei for this tablet especially. I've opened the case and kept for you guys because I don't want this video to last long. So this is the case about the Y1 white version. Huawei. It's cool. It's the magnetic one. Magnet. Ooh, look. Close. Now the screen was off. Another great feature of this. Oh, I can't show you my password. Sorry guys. But actually I typed the wrong password also. opens like that, but when you close it closes automatically. So I'll do the review of this tablet in my next video and hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe.